Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
Hey everyone! In this video, I will explain how to replace your Toyota Sienna's rear windshield wiper. First, make sure you have a new rear wiper blade, which is usually 16 inches long for many Sienna models. Park your vehicle safely and turn off the ignition. Then, gently lift the wiper arm away from the rear window glass. This prepares it for the next steps. Now, let's remove the old blade. Look closely at where the blade meets the arm. You'll find a small clip. Press this clip, then slide the old blade backward, away from the arm's hook. Once it's free, carefully lower the wiper arm back down to the window. This prevents it from snapping back and potentially damaging your rear glass. With the old blade removed, it's time for the new one. Take your new wiper blade and align its connector with the hook on the wiper arm. Gently slide the blade onto the arm. You should hear a distinct click when it locks securely into position. Give it a gentle tug to ensure it's firmly attached and won't come loose during operation. Finally, gently lower the entire wiper arm back onto the rear window. Turn on your vehicle and test the new wiper blade using your washer fluid to ensure it operates smoothly and clears the window effectively. For optimal visibility and safety, it's a good practice to replace your rear wiper blade at least once every 12 months, regardless of how often you use it.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.